Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do share this video. And of course, Gogo Makhephula had quite a lot to say regarding Gospel Singer Zaza for attending Gogo Skoteni's podcast after she had received negativity from the Christian community. They were saying that her behavior is ungodly and that not of a Christian. Now you guys, all this because she attended the podcast of a Sangoma, Gogo Skoteni. Makhephula says even though he is only a Sangoma, he does however listen to Zaza's music, and he says that he also did enjoy her interview with Gogo Skoteni, so she shouldn't listen to haters and should continue what she does, which is produce the best and good music. So up next, I'm just gonna go ahead and insert the video. Please do make sure that you comment, you subscribe, and of course you follow me so that you don't miss out whenever I upload a new video.
Thokozani bogogo, thokozani zinkondlo. Awuzaza Mukhethi, I see nothing wrong with attending podcast ya Skoteni. Dimpia di konna dintse di hubula, babui ba konna babua, the haters di konna dintse di lete. No, they have a problem with you. They are jealous in you. Rena music ha ra utlwella awusi. Inga kana music ra utlwella, ra o reka music ha ra o rata. Never mind o tsena kereke. Ra utlwella o utlwe setse re ya polokwane re tshwere N1 music ha o re setse re utlwelle se tshwere N1 re ya giana malamolela. La utlwella music houses and o se ke wa tlola o motho wa batho o opella dingaka o opella baruti o opella ba Christian o opella whoever wa enjoy music how and the music ra utlwella. Leave the haters. I also see nothing wrong for us or Skoteni or whoever Sangoma to attend concert ya how ana le lerato le music wa how. So the haters did go ahead ausi. You were very happy, upela your life, and then the followers some kuba we're not mudim, and don't choose. We got the concert in your house. We got the concert. We got the attend. Resare itla mo bongake ro rata hona mo le moteng mo ro rata mo hona mo Jesu mo ke mo ro rata moteng. Music ra utlwela shem polokwane ro tshwara metsi re ya re fodile polokwane mantsomane re ya re fodile re utlweletse music yao. Keep it up, we love you. Nahana are me honoring the ndomba o bona ndomba mo ka re le titunnetse o itse ke banyana ba babedi ba ba smart ba bate makeup ile le right wa itse o ne le enga mkhuba o ne le enga shem. Fix yourself, how happy